Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video I'm gonna show you how I made these lovely resin coasters with pressed flowers. So without further ado, let's get to it. So for these coasters I am using the slate mode from Molds and Shapes, and I have premixed my resin. This resin is the overlefts from another video, another project that I did a week ago. I will link it in the end. But anyway, so I was doing two projects at the same time and it didn't go as I really planned it because I put too much resin in the coasters and then I had to use the spoon and take it out back in the pot. And instead of transparent, I had this light pink resin, but I thought, oh well, never mind, I just gonna go with the flow and have a little bit of pink instead of transparent. So for these coasters I am putting down this resin and I am filling my coasters just halfway full. So because after we're gonna be adding flowers and another layer of resin. So after this is done, I let them to cure, and here I am back to add the flowers. So I am putting just a little bit of resin so that I have a kind of glue and the flowers stick to it, and afterwards they don't move when I will add the next layer of resin. You will probably think, hey Leanne, you are making 4 coasters, but how come in the intro you showed us only 2? Well, I will explain that a little bit later ahead, what exactly happened then. So after that was done, now it's time for the final coat, and I have divided my resin in 2 cups. So half I'm making white and half is going to remain transparent. And this is the first time that I attempt to kind of put down 2 colors. And they meet halfway. I never done it before. Bit nervous because as easy it looks, and the coasters that made that way as well look easy. Actually, I found it a pretty hard, tricky to make. So yeah. If I could do it again, I wouldn't divide exactly in 2 equal parts. I would leave transparent a bit more and the color a bit less, because I think I had the white a bit too much. And here I am swirling the colors bit around together so that the line is not so obvious. And after that, I let the resin sit for a while. And now I'm gonna add some gold accent with this gold alcohol ink. And you put it in the cup and then you just paint it on with a toothpick or another kind of sharp stick. And after that, let it sit and cure. And here is the next day. And as you can see, I have a boo-boo because some days ago I cleaned up my table and I forgot to level up my workspace, so the resin from one coaster shift to the other coaster. And at this point I'm thinking, hey, maybe I can save it. I will Dremel out the white and I will add transparent and it will be fine. But here you can see that it's gone inside too deep. So this coaster we are gonna keep. And that's why I'm having just set of 2 this time. But these things happen and it's absolutely fine. So here I am unmolding the rest of them. And I am quite pleased how they turn out. Of course, I will be adding another top coat of transparent because it is just the way I like it. And they will be ready. And that's it. Here they are, all ready and finished, looking absolutely beautiful. If you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving a comment. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!